Coaches, hope you've had a great summer. I'm excited all the work I've seen y'all put in and all the activities you guys have been doing with our young athletes, and I appreciate all the hard work you're doing. Remember, next week is our dead week, June 28th through July 4th, so you need some R&R, our kids need some R&R, and make sure we get some rest, get some time to just enjoy your family, and get the time that we normally don't get back. So please enjoy our last dead week here again, June 28th through July 4th. Sponsorship. Please make sure you're updating the spreadsheet. Make sure you send me any forms of anybody who's signing up with us so we can get that going. Our goal is 100 days for 100K, and I'd like by mid-July to be wrapped up so that way we can make sure all of our signs are up to date on all of our facilities. So please make sure you're getting after these businesses. Take time to get your parents. I'd really like to start hitting all the businesses in this area. I really think that we can even target some of our Hispanic businesses with a lot of our population as they are. So let's make sure we're really reaching out and trying to get after these 100K in the last bit of our 100 days here. Dragonfly, I have updated Dragonfly for everybody. So all of our teams should be set, and all the players that were on our teams last year should be on our rosters again this year. Go through and remove any seniors that you have on your list. Also, make sure that you are checking to see when our forms are becoming outdated. If it's over the summer and you have some of your kids still practicing, you need to get them with new physicals. Also, make sure everybody has their forms up to date. If you need to have a Dragonfly Day, I highly recommend it. If you need help, come see me. I'll be more than glad to help you with anything we can to get that updated. Schedules. Please send me up-to-date schedules as soon as possible. I need to work on contracts. I also need to work on getting our calendars up to date and making sure that I've got everything, see if I have any conflicts and everything up to date on my end. So please make sure you have schedules. Please make sure you have times on there so that way when I send it out, it is correct. With your schedules, make sure you go ahead and get your travel trackers up to date. The quicker you can get that, the better, so that way we can get our bus drivers signed up and solidified for you. Facilities, just a reminder, a couple things. One, right now, the old track is completely off limits. We cannot go down in that area. It is a complete construction zone. The football field is completely off limits, and as it is completely a construction zone, including the stadium. Now, if you need to use the bottom field, you need to park at the top of the parking lot where our coaches normally park for our games now, and then you can walk down that side road to get there. If you need access to the dressing rooms, you need to go through the back, through the coaches' offices, and you need to please be careful anytime you're there because it is a construction zone. Good news, it does look like we will stay on time, and they are going to shift the field roughly 20 feet more away from the stadium. So we'll have a shift there so that we have a little more access for all of our athletes, cheerleaders, etc. as we go forward. Real excited about the things that we've got going on here at our facilities. And the many great things that we're going to have here as we continue to grow. I hope you all are continuing to have a great summer. If you have any other questions, concerns, comments, or anything that I can help you with, please let me know. Again, I'm excited about our staff. I'm excited about where our programs are going. I love the hard work and dedication you guys are doing, and it's with that hard work that we're going to see the fruit of our labor soon. So keep up the hard work. Please let me know how I can help you. Enjoy your summer. Please take some time off, rest, relax, recharge those batteries. I'm looking forward to some great seasons to begin with. Thank you guys, and enjoy.